In this video, we will cover the main settings of your website. So let's click on the settings icon to open it up. Let's start on the left-hand side. The first thing you will do is add your website title, which will be the name of your company, your church, your business, or whatever. Next, you will add a description, like your company slogan or your tagline. These two items will show up at the top of the user's browser window, in the tab, as well as in the history, and on Google search results. Next is search engine keywords. Here you will type in any keywords related to your company, separated by a comma and a space. And don't worry about capitalizing. Next, you will type in your search engine description. This also shows up when somebody searches for your website. Let me show you. Suppose I was looking for a plumber. I type in plumber into the search window and a list of websites comes up. Each one shows the title, which on your website will include your slogan, and the actual website link, and then your search engine description. As you can see, it's only a couple lines long, so try to keep it short because the rest will get cut off anyway. Next is your admin email and your backup email, and these should always be up to date. This is what the system will use to send you any alerts or important information regarding your account. Also, if you forget your username or password, these are the emails that the system will send that info to, so they have to be up to date. Your PayPal email is optional, and we'll cover that in the PayPal how-to video. Next, we have two usernames and passwords. So you can set up a secondary one which will allow another user access to the editor without giving them your primary password. And if you're logged in as the secondary user, you will not see the usernames and passwords, and you will not be able to change any of the emails or phone numbers. Only the primary user has access to those, for security reasons. Now, anytime you make a change in this section, you need to click the Save Changes button to save them. Now let's move down to the Fave Icon section. The Fave icon is the little icon that shows in your browser's URL window or on the tab. Now when you're logged into the editor, you will see this Fave icon. Notice how small it is. Now when you upload your image, the system will automatically shrink it down to the proper size, but keep in mind that Fave icons are very small, so you can't see small details. So try to keep it simple. And once you upload your Fave icon, it will show up in this box. Now if you're logged into the editor or using the temporary link to get to your website, you will see our logo as the Fave icon. But once you point your domain name and your website is live and you go directly to your website, your Fave icon will show up. And that's it for the settings.